in my 10th in Sarvepur College with overall percentage of 61. I completed my 10th in St. John's Convent School with overall percentage of 83. Coming to my skills, Java, SQL, web technology. I am a JavaScript student. In JSpiders, I didn't place in my college. Now I am coming to JSpiders Rajajinagar. I don't even know single knowledge about coding, but JSpiders is a best platform to learn the coding with from basics. Keshav sir and Uday sir teach me very well to write the coding, and Syed sir about web technology. He teach me how to create. He teach me about HTML and CSS completely. In 1.5 months I got placed. Thank you.